your name? She forgot already, but this one is yours. This is your gift. Okay. Another one. Another question. Another question. Listen very carefully. Kids? Still there? Kids? Kids?
Yes.
Kids? Okay, our first question is... See, I have a picture here.
ไม่ได้เก่งอะไรเลยใช่ไหม
You're out in Humpty Dumpty, but you're still on game. Okay. Question is, what are the names of two villains in Toy Town? What is the name of the villains? Anybody?
ว้าวดูข้างหน้าสิลูกอะไรเอ่ย
You know? What?
อะไรคะลูกชื่ออะไรคะ
What is the name?
ชื่อตัวอะไรคะ
No, he is not villain.
เก่งมาก
So, anybody can know the answer? Anybody can answer me? Huh? They are busy now in Humpty Dumpty. Hello.